So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a drop-down list in Excel. It's a little bit of an advanced thing that we're going to do here, but I'll make it really simple. So we're just going to work with this example of a list of cities, right? And all we're going to want to do is go into the Data tab, and then we're just going to click Data Validation, right? And then right here, this is going to pop up, and we're going to say allow list, right? And this says data between. So we're going to say between this cell and this cell, here's my data. I'm going to show you here in a second. We're going to click on this right here, right? And so we're going to say equals cities or whatever we want to call our list. And we're going to say between here and here. And I'm holding down shift when I do that. So hold down shift, click on the first row or cell that you want, and then hold that down and then click on the last cell that you want, right? Then we're going to hit enter, right? After we hit enter, bam, there we go. We're just going to hit OK. Okay, now this came up. We're just going to, yeah, we're just, oh, my bad. So this is just a little bit of a thing to show you, just in case this comes up. There we go. Okay. I just had to retry it again, and that stopped. Okay. So there we go. Bam. Now we have our list, right? There's our list right there, and we're good to go. And if we want to, we can hide all of our data rows, and then we'll have this like nice little clean list right here, right? So all I did right there was I can unhide those for you, and I'll show you how I did it again. Actually, I need to select like all of them. Unhide. Okay, so all I did was select all of these, and then I just hit right click, left click, hide. There's my list there. So I just selected any of these rows, but you can't see them. So I have this nice little drop down list there. So anyhow, I hope that helped you. Thank you for watching.